There will be times when you need to install a new or update package into your Salesforce org. Once you click or copy and paste the link you were provided, you will be brought to a login screen. When you have successfully logged in, you will need to choose who you want to install the app for. We recommend installing for admins only, but there are times where you may be directed to install for all users and assign privileges to specific users, or install for specific profiles. Once you've made the choice of who to install for, select Install. Note that if an app requires connections to third-party APIs, a modal will open requesting that access. Verify the information and grant the access if the app is a trusted one, then select Continue. From here, the app will begin installing. Please note that depending on Salesforce's server load, your package may not finish installing immediately. If this happens, Salesforce will notify you when the installation is completed with the pictured email. Once the installation is completed, you can navigate to Setup and search Installed Packages in the Setup Quick Find to view your installed packages.